Follow the steps on how to change a pattern into a separate shape in Illustrator. Let's start with a new document. First, I will create a simple pattern from a circle. To create a pattern, go to Object, Pattern and Make. Here I choose Tile Type Brick by Row. Click Done. Create a rectangle and fill it with the pattern that has been created. I will duplicate it. Go to Object and Expand. Press Ctrl-Alt-7 twice. Then ungroup it twice too. Activate the Magic Wand tool pointed at the object until you find an invisible path. Click and delete. Now you have a separate shape. Good luck! Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.